The Harmony Wind Turbine is a unique, eye-catching device designed to make your home self-sufficient while blending seamlessly into your surroundings. Resembling a regular metal barrier, its tall cylindrical structure is engineered to shield against strong winds and other hazards, while its moving parts create a mesmerizing visual effect as they harness wind energy. Unlike typical wind turbines, Harmony operates with significantly less noise, promoting ear health by minimizing exposure to loud sounds. Its distinctive design allows it to function efficiently in both gentle breezes and strong winds, making it a versatile and effective solution for home energy needs. Although the final power output is undisclosed, the prototype has already generated 400 watts, suggesting that the final version could offer even greater performance while maintaining its quiet operation and adaptability. The RAULI Wall is a unique wall-mounted system inspired by the ingenuity of people crafting homemade solutions in their backyards. Designed for those looking to make their homes more self-sufficient, especially if their roofs aren't suitable for solar panels or they experience heavy snowfall, the RAULI Wall offers a practical alternative. It supports solar panels by securing them to a sturdy wall, using special rails that allow the panels to move freely during installation. Once the desired number of panels are positioned, they can be secured in place to create a stable solar wall. This system is easy to install and is designed to work efficiently even in snowy regions, though it may generate less energy than traditional rooftop panels. The solar heated floor system is a dream come true for solar energy enthusiasts, designed to harness the sun's warmth to heat homes efficiently. The system's core components include a network of pipes embedded in the foundation and a built-in floor heater connected to broader ducts. Fresh air flows through these ducts to the solar panels, where it is warmed and then circulated through smaller tubes beneath the floor to keep the house cozy. The heating system is adjustable, allowing the release of warm air into the home only when needed. If additional warmth isn't required, the air can be redirected to a special device that heats the hot water tank, making the system versatile and energy efficient. A rainwater harvesting system is a simple and effective way to reduce your home's dependence on the central water supply by collecting and utilizing the free water provided by nature. The system requires basic components such as special containers, pipes, roof drains, and water filters. The setup process is straightforward and adaptable, with the ideal choice being an underground installation to keep the area tidy. However, since this involves significant effort, hiring experts is recommended. If digging isn't feasible, water storage can be placed near the walls of your house or other buildings on your property. The system involves installing a rainwater runoff system on the roof and connecting it to the storage containers via pipes, with filters to remove impurities for healthier water use. While the system offers potential savings on water bills, it's essential to consider whether it can provide enough water for your family, especially in areas with infrequent rainfall. The Dome Geodesic greenhouse from Growing Spaces offers the ultimate home autonomy by enabling year-round gardening in a unique and efficient design. Unlike traditional greenhouses, these domes provide more vertical space within a smaller footprint, allowing for the cultivation of tall plants like grapes, figs, and dwarf citrus trees. Their geodesic structure distributes weight evenly, making them resilient to strong winds and optimizing sunlight exposure through their rounded shape and ideal aerodynamics. These greenhouses are more than just functional. They feature automatic shutters triggered by heat and a pond to maintain consistent temperatures throughout the season. However, this level of self-sufficiency comes at a price, with a 172 square foot greenhouse costing $10,000, and a more spacious 1,400 square foot version requiring a substantial investment of $49,000, making autonomy a relatively expensive venture. The Multicon solar pump offers an efficient solution for homes near a reservoir or river, enabling easy access to water without the need for manual labor. This system, which looks like a trailer equipped with solar panels, is powered entirely by 16 solar panels that generate up to 4 kilowatts at their peak. The key feature is the built-in pump, which operates using 2.2 kilowatts of the solar energy, capable of moving up to 264 gallons of water per hour. Excess energy generated by the panels is stored in 17 kilowatt-hour batteries, providing power for other uses when needed. To ensure smooth operation, it's important to use durable pipes or hoses that can handle the water flow, making this solar-powered system a practical and eco-friendly solution for water management. Solar air coolers offer an efficient off-grid cooling solution by harnessing solar energy through evaporative cooling. These devices draw in dry, warm air from outside, which is then pushed by a solar-powered or battery-operated turbine into the unit. Inside, the air passes through a moist, porous layer where it evaporates and cools down before being released as refreshing cool air into the room. A crucial component of the system is the charge controller, which regulates electricity flow, preventing the battery from fully depleting and extending its lifespan. Available in various models with different cooling capacities and speed settings, these solar coolers help reduce reliance on electricity, promoting a more self-sufficient home. The QuietCool Attic Fan is an effective solution for keeping your home comfortably cool without the noise of an air conditioner, but installing it requires careful preparation. The process involves prepping the roof surface and creating an opening, which can be challenging if the roof is made of tough material. Once the ventilation system is set up, the installation typically takes about an hour under favorable conditions. The fan operates on solar power, relying on sunlight to function, so it won't run without adequate sunlight. Equipped with a 40-watt solar panel, this fan can efficiently cool an area of up to 1,900 square feet when receiving a steady flow of solar energy. Solar water distillers offer an effective and low-cost solution for purifying water, making it safe for daily use. These simple systems can be constructed using a sturdy box, a glass front, a gutter to collect water, and a drainage pipe. Contaminated water is placed in the box, which is fitted with a transparent window and exposed to sunlight. The sun heats the water, causing vapor to form on the glass pane. This vapor then trickles down into a channel and through a tube into a reservoir, leaving impurities behind. Despite its simplicity, this method is highly efficient, with research showing it can purify water to 99.9% purity. A device measuring 6 by 4 feet can produce up to 4 gallons of purified water per day, making it an ideal solution for those seeking a self-sufficient lifestyle without significant costs. A solar carport offers electric car owners the dual benefits of vehicle shelter and energy generation, enhancing home self-sufficiency. However, setting up these carports is a complex process that requires teamwork and various tools, involving multiple stages such as placing supports, installing the roof or beams, and finally fitting the solar panels. The energy output of these panels can vary, providing power for car charging, home use, or even fulfilling all energy needs simultaneously. While a solar carport may not offer the same level of protection as a traditional garage and comes with a price tag, it remains an attractive option for solar energy enthusiasts seeking to maximize their energy efficiency and sustainability.